Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fishaholicboy channel. Today's video is going to be a comparison of the setup times between an inflatable kayak and the Tucktec kayak. So stay with me. As you saw in the video, it was quite significant the time it took to set up the Tucktec Folding Kayak versus an inflatable kayak. But just to be fair, more of a disclaimer, that inflatable kayak was a two-seater. So my friend wasn't using a foot pump or a hand pump. He was using an electrical pump, air pump, that was connected to the car. So of course, for him, it's a lot easier, but you need to have the car around. But if you're going to a bit more remote places, then you have to use your hand or your feet. And it got me thinking, doing that during summer here in Hong Kong, you're gonna die because it's just so hot. It's consistently over 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity is way over 90. So it is quite a difference. But the great thing about the inflatable kayak is that it fits more than one person. And from a stability point of view, it actually looks like it's more stable than the kayak that I'm on. But again, I'm not saying this is not stable. This is very stable for me. So that's it for today. You saw the packing and the unpacking of the Tucktec kayak and an inflatable kayak. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.